Rob from Tomball has a question about window replacement.
Yeah, he wants to replace his 22-year-old builder's-grade aluminum windows, Tom.
Sure.
So Rob writes to us, I've talked with 4 window companies, and 3 of the 4 companies recommended vinyl windows. The other recommended aluminum windows with a thermal break. That one says that those aluminum windows are more durable, won't expand and contract as much as the vinyl did, and won't be affected as much by UV from the sun. So, Tom, Rob wants to know, is it reasonable to consider aluminum versus vinyl?
They tried to do that, and if you for some reason are insisting on an aluminum window, that's what you have to have a thermal break. There's no doubt about it. Something I would not do in today's day.
What is a thermal break?
Think of it, 2 aluminum frames, never touching, with a rubber gasket in between, so that heat doesn't transfer from the inside to the outside.
All right.
Okay. Now, this whole idea about vinyl windows being affected by the sun, expanding, contracting, melting, that's all baloney.
Oh.
I've had them in my house for 22 years. When I put them in, they were the bee's knees, the best of the best, right?
Right.
But now you have new composite windows, which would be a step up. Gulf Coast Windows, you could go see theirs, but you'll see a lot of the word composite now. That's the next thing. The aluminum, I think, is not going to be something that I would invest my money in, nor tell any of our listeners or people ask questions the same thing. But vinyl is fine, and there's some really good vinyl windows out there. And then you got the new composites too. So find a company that's going to give you all your options. Like Gulf Coast Windows, you get vinyl windows, you get wood windows. They have a line of wood. You can get the composite line of windows, which is fantastic. Then you can get the specialty items like hurricane glass and things like that. In fact, just as an example of how good they are, vinyl windows are the windows you buy with the hurricane glass, because they're stronger with the glass.
Okay, they have a little more resistance.
Yeah,
to
and
the
they
wind.
have a little give to them.
Okay.
So they're actually the hurricane approved window frames, not the composites, but the vinyls.
Okay. It could be a case where this guy who's trying to sell them the aluminum windows makes more money on the aluminum windows, and so he's trying to push them too.
Yeah, that, or that's his line of windows. I mean, there's a lot of reasons, but aluminum is not something, I would not go back with a metal framed window at all.
Well, it's like when we're getting the composite windows put in at our house, okay? And when I went back and forth between the vinyl and composite, Jim Fumey said to me, Charlie, you want to think 10, 15 years down the road about these windows. Vinyl will become less and less. Composite will become more and more.
It's true.
And you're putting in windows, when you put a vinyl window in, that in 10 years is going to be what an aluminum window is today. Now, I don't know how absolutely take that to the bank that is, but the point is an aluminum window in 10 years is going to be a way back throwback.
Yeah, you won't even see them anymore.
Right.
And there are people who can't afford composites.
Sure.
So the vinyls are a good option. You have limited colors, and the frame is bigger for the bigger windows because they need the strength of the vinyl, so they have more bulk in the frame. But it's still an option for a lot of people. But in your case, with your $6,000 square foot mansion and everything, you need to have the best of the best.
Why do you always bring that up?
Because I'm jealous.
Don't be. Yeah,
I have 2,400 square feet. I'm choking.
Well, we had 8 people living in that house.
I know you had 8 people, and you have a beautiful office over the garage. I mean, there's a lot of components to your house.
And the helipad.
But I'm getting at it's
the
a
indoor
beautiful,
tennis court.
big.
Yeah.
Well, you get next to the swimming pool next.
That's right. The cement pond in the backyard. Listen, enough of this. All right.
It's in a beautiful house. You need composite windows.
But you don't have to. I got them because they look better.
Well, of course.
And honestly, by the time it's all over and done with,
About
the price
same,
difference,
give me. It's like you're getting those extras on the car. Hey, we're up to 40,000. What's another 6? Right. I looked at a truck yesterday. $70,000 for a truck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Which one were you looking at?
I thought a big Ford thing with blue and 4 doors and everything. I'm sticking with my 96
you got like
Bronco.
a King Ranch or something?
Oh, it was something, incredible.
Yeah.
$70,000.
$70,000. That's, and I got news for you. You could spend more.
I know you can.
Right. You got a question. Just stick with that Grand Marquis. What year is that thing?
No, my Bronco. My truck.
Okay,
my Grand Marquis is 2010.
Okay.
It's the newest car I have.
Oh, jeez. And how old is the Bronco?
96.
Okay. Well,
and then my Mustang 66.
Oh, you see, we both drive old used cars. So
yeah,
it's fine.
You got a new Explorer now.
No, I got
Expedition.
my 2015 Audi. It's a used car.
Oh.
All right. You have a question? Just go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.